Hello, my name is Mr. Bilmadan Al-Haq, and this is my first lesson of a series of English lessons. So our lesson today is about the present perfect, simple. Okay, let's get started. The first point I'm going to explain or talk about is the structure of the present perfect. Of course, when we say the structure, we talk about the positive, negative, and interrogative form. So the positive form, the structure is subject plus the verb have or has, plus past participle of the main verb. She, subject, has, verb to have, started is the past participle of the verb to start. So of course, start is a regular verb, and the past participle, it doesn't change, it's the same form as the past simple. So it's ending in ed. Okay, so this is for the positive form. Now, the negative form. So the negative form, the structure is as follows. Subject plus verb to have, has, plus the negative word, not, plus the past participle of the main verb. They haven't started. They haven't started. Subject, have, plus not, plus started. Good. Now, the question form or the interrogative form. The structure is have or has, the verb to have, plus subject, plus past participle of the verb. Has she done it? Has she done it? Verb, subject, past participle of the verb do. So do is an irregular verb, and the past participle is done. Okay? So this is for the structure of the present simple, present perfect simple. Sorry. Now, what about the use? Means why we use the present perfect simple in the English language. Well, actually, we use it to talk about an event or an action that started in the past. Okay, so it started in the past, and the impact of this event or action is now continuing. We still have this impact now, so it didn't finish. Okay, so it's an action or event that happened in the past, and the consequences of this event or action or the impact is now continuing. Good. Now, let's move to examples. Okay? To explain, we need examples. Let's start with the first example. I have lived in Casablanca for 14 years. So I have lived. So the verb is to live, conjugated in the present perfect. So what do we understand when we say I have lived in Casablanca for 14 years? We understand that I lived in the past and I still live in Casablanca. I'm still in Casablanca. Second example, she hasn't watched this movie yet. We are talking about a girl or woman and a movie. Okay, and we say that she didn't, she hasn't watched the movie yet, which means that if she didn't watch it, she has the possibility to watch it today or tomorrow. Okay, so something that happened in the past and still exists now. Example number 3. Has she cleaned her room? So it's a question, it's an interrogative form. Okay, the first one is a positive form, second one is a negative form, and the third one is a question. So, has she cleaned the room, her room? So here, what does it mean? The sentence means that we want to know, we are asking about whether she cleaned it or no. Okay, which means that she's going to clean it later. If she didn't do that in the past, she's going to do it now or later, or in an hour or so. Okay, now recapitulation. So we said that we use the present perfect to talk about an action or event that happened in the past, and the impact of these events or actions still exist now. Okay? Now, the last point is, of course, the present perfect is a complex tense, and of course we cannot talk about all the points. So next time we are going to talk about what are the situations or the different situations where we use the present perfect. Thank you very much, and see you next lesson.